So this is question from GATE 2015. It is 1 mark question from electronics set 2. So in this we have to find the average value of voltage VAB. So this is B point, this is A point, and we have to find the voltage VAB in steady state condition. So there are two voltages given. This is 5 sin 5000 t and there are 5 volt. So whenever there are multiple voltages given, then we can use the superposition theorem. So first we will consider 5 volt and ground the this voltage 5 sin 5000 t. So when we consider in the case first, we will consider only the 5 volt voltage. So this will be grounded. So this will be 1K. And capacitor can be replaced by in steady state capacitor acts as an open circuit. So this is point B and this capacitor is open circuit. This is point A. Inductor can be replaced by a short circuit. So this is 2K and this is so no current will be flowing through it. So VAB will be equal to 5 volt because no current will be flowing through this open circuit because this branch is open circuit because capacitor is in steady state acts as open circuit and inductor in steady state acts as short circuit. So in the first case VAB will be equal to 5 volt and in the case second we will consider only the 5 sin 5000 t source. This is 5 sin 5000 t and we will ground the 5 volt source. Again it is steady state, so capacitor is open circuit and inductor is short circuit. Now this is a sinusoidal source, so the average value of a sinusoid is 0. So VBA average is 0. VAB average value will be 0 because this voltage source is a sinusoid source and the average value of a sinusoid is 0. See, because average value is 0. For a sinusoid the average value is 0 because this portion will cancel this portion. So the average value for a sinusoid is 0. So in the first case VAB was 5 volt, in the second case VAB was 0 volt. So VAB is sinusoid, so average value of VAB is 5 volt. Average value of VAB due to superposition will be equal to 5 plus 0, which will be equal to 5 volt. In the first case when we considered only the 5 volt voltage source, then the average value of VAB was 5 volt, and in the second case when we considered only the sinusoidal source, then the average value of sinusoid is 0. So the value of VAB in average value of VAB due to sinusoid source will be 0. So the total voltage VAB due to both these sources will be equal to 5 volt average value. So this is the how we find the average value. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can post comment in the comment box. Thank you.